Welcome guys, RW3PN guys, welcome back to the channel. Today guys, I'll be reacting to WOLFGANG versus Rogue Wave SBX Camp 2019 Tag Team Battle Semi-Final. So let's dive right into it.
Wave goes first. As I said before, you guys take the mic straight away and you can reply instantly. Okay guys, we got French champions in the house. Make some noise, this is gonna be crazy. I need to count in 3,
2, 1, beatbox. Kill him with that bass line, yo.
And that's time.
Hey. Hey. Oh. Killing it. Killing it. Fire. They're killing it, yo. Yo, WOLFGANG is killing it. They keep showing this hottie right here.
Time.
Woo! She's having a lot of fun.
Switch.
Hey.
Watch
Oh.
Hands up. You should watch your butt.
Oh, that bass right there, yo.
Time!
Woo!
Get the mic, get the mic.
We trying.
I'm not afraid of the big bad wolf. If I want a face, I'ma squeeze that throat. To fill in the gap, I better sing that chord. I didn't even know that I could hit that. What? I'm not afraid of the big bad wolf. If I want a face, I'ma squeeze that throat. To fill in the gap, I better sing that chord. I didn't even know that I could hear that note. No time for eating, meaning, miny, mo. I don't wanna be waiting anymore. Gonna release, I'm in an animal. Let me sing it a bit. I'm in a random hole. Let me wait for a lap time to smash that. My lap stop, moving video to a hashtag. My rap is fast, my flow's like a sound last. Like if I sing it up,
Wolfgang!
I'm still worried about time. 70, 70, my block time. I got too many sounds in my backpack. I better yo, what you gonna do about it?
Oh shit! Hey, hey, hey. Yo!
Time!
Wolfgang!
Oh shit, oh shit. Guys, calm down, calm down. Calm down. Jesus Christ. Wow, make some noise for that crazy battle. Come on. Say woo if you freaked out with this. Perfect. Okay, judges. Judges, you're gonna decide. I
Wolfgang!
think you can do this. Okay? Yeah, there is one guy who like the X, yeah? X Factor and all these things, yeah? Okay. No. Okay, in 3,
2, 1, Wolfgang!
all right, we go overtime. Wow. All right, guys. 2 seconds. Okay, they have to think. Let's let them think of it. I tell a joke. Okay. Did you ever, guys, went to a battle and 2 people just were talking about the rounds in the middle of the crowd? Me neither.
That's a lame joke.
In 3, 1, beatbox.
Mash up the place, turn up the bass, so make a lot of fun.
Jamaican, yo! Jamaican!
Mash up the place, turn up the bass, so make some fun.
Yeah.
Run.
Hey.
We a place the fire, making fun.
Wolfgang!
Can you do that?
Hey.
Listen.
Oh!
This is music.
Yo!
Oh, wow. It really is music. Let's go, guys. You got it.
And this is Varo, my friend.
Rogue Wave.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Come on, round of applause for everybody. These guys are so strong. Oh la la.
Ooh la la.
I gotta say, you guys know these guys weren't ready for these battles. They've been thinking in last minute because they decided I really need some love for them to put this effort and crazy battle. That was the closest battle we've seen all day. I would choose 4 of you, but the judges got the decision. So, judges, no overtime in this one, okay? I'm not gonna let, that's the Freddie Beats rule, yeah? In 3, 2, 1.
Rogue Wave.
3, 4.
Wolfgang.
Oh!
Wolfgang.
Wow, that was crazy. Wolfgang Texas!
Wolfgang.
I'm not afraid of the big bad wolf. If I wanna face, I'ma scream that rope. To put in the gap, I better sleep that quote. I didn't even know that I could hear that note. No time for eating, meaning, miny, mo. I don't wanna be waiting anymore. Gonna release, I'm in an animal. Let me sing it a bit, I'm in a random hole. Let me run for a lap down, to smash that. My last shot, this video to a hashtag. My rap is fast, my flow's like it's out of Like if I said, the focus is lost, the hi-hat. God, I'm still worried about time. 70, my lifetime. I got so many sounds in my back.
So that's the video, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, ensure you drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, ensure that you hit that subscribe button. Guys, are on the way to 1,000. It feels so good. Thank you guys for all your support. This was an amazing video. I'm gonna have a link down in the description for it, so you guys can be sure to check it out. Until next time, guys, I will see you. Peace out.